right now.
First here at 6 o'clock, city officials in Kalamazoo releasing their report on what happened the day of the Proud Boys rally and their response to it.
They held a virtual press conference this afternoon and released new details on that investigation. Our Lauren Edwards starts us off tonight live with that story. Lauren?
Yeah, Doug and Annie, that press conference was earlier this afternoon. It was closed to the public, open to the media. City officials during the press conference denouncing the Proud Boys and what they stand for, but also talking about the incident, the rally that day that did end in violence, and how they can learn from their mistakes.
Let me be clear. Hate has no place in Kalamazoo or Southwest Michigan.
Hatred is what city officials say came to Kalamazoo when the Proud Boys marched through the downtown area on Saturday, August 15th.
Proud your boy!
As mayor, I strongly denounce the Proud Boys and other hate groups that promote racism and seek to instigate violence and mayhem through their words and actions.
The event ended in violence. No Proud Boys were arrested, but protesters and a few others were, including a legal observer and an MLive reporter.
We all heard those that saw the video of him saying that he was an MLive reporter. Unfortunately, the officers didn't hear that.
So, city leaders say their first change is to implement a credentialing system for media members and legal observers so that police will recognize them.
These events are fluid and there's chaos, and so when these split-second decisions need to be made, we can make sure that the press is protected.
They have also created a special subcommittee made up of city officials who came up with recommendations to reduce the risk of violence during tense situations like this.
We also have to proactively prevent escalation and violent confrontations whenever possible. Again, we have to be proactive.
That means working with local organizations, counter-protesters, and faith groups, they say, to ensure rallies like the one the Proud Boys had never happens again.
We are committed to transparency and accountability because it leads to continuous improvement.
Now, city officials said that in the coming weeks, they're going to continue to meet with certain individuals and certain organizations around town to ensure that, again, what happened on August 15th does not happen again. Reporting live here in Kalamazoo, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.
All right, thank you for that.